In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a running total in Google Sheets. This is a handy skill, especially when working with data where you continuously add figures over time, such as budgeting or tracking sales. A running total ensures that you always have a cumulative sum of your data up to a certain point, saving you from manually tallying each time. To begin with, open up your Google Sheets. Once you have your sheet in front of you, ensure that your data is organized. In our example, we'll assume you have a list of numbers in column B starting from cell B2 and ending at B13. These could represent anything like sales figures, monthly expenses, or any data that you want to keep a cumulative total of. Next, we'll start by selecting the cell where we want our running total to begin. Click on cell C2. This cell will hold the first value of our running total. It's important to start your calculations separately from your original data to avoid any confusion later on. Once you have cell C2 selected, it's time to enter our formula. Type in the following: is sum B2 B2. This formula might look complex, but it's actually straightforward. What this does is it tells Google Sheets to take everything from B2 to the current row in column B and add it all to give you a cumulative sum or a running total. The dollar signs before the B and 2 ensure that as you drag the formula down later on, the starting point remains B2. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your running total. After typing the formula, simply press the Enter key. You should now see the first value of your running total in cell C2, which should just be equal to the value in B2 since it's the starting point. Now comes the fun part, where you let Google Sheets do the heavy lifting for you. Using the autofill feature, click and drag down from cell C2 all the way to C13. What this does is it copies the formula we introduced into C2 and adjusts it for each row, providing a running total right down to the last entry. And there you have it. You've just calculated a running total in Google Sheets. As you add more data to column B, just drag the formula down from column C to extend the running total. This approach is efficient and a massive time saver when managing dynamic datasets. Remember, whenever dealing with large or changing data, ensuring that your formulas are set up correctly can make your spreadsheet work smoothly for you. Happy calculating!